Hey everyone, I am going to show you how to properly deep clean your Norwex using Norwex Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. So this is great whether you're brand new to Norwex and you're loving all the things, right? Or maybe you've been using it for many, many years. You want to deep soak them at least once every 3 months to keep them working hard, absorbing water well, and honestly, it's an essential step to keeping the cloths performing at their best and also looking like new. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly share why this product is amazing, how it works, the ingredients, how to deep clean your Norwex microfiber, and maybe some tips how to use it on things other than deep soaking. So while we're chatting, I have 2 sinks here full of really hot water, and I heated this water on the stove. I did not bring it to boiling. I did not bring it to a simmer, just really hot. So I have 4 gallons in each side. And the product instructions say 1 scoop of booster for 1 gallon of water will clean 10 cloths. I have a lot more than 10 cloths here, so I really want to give these a thorough clean. Again, not boiling. You're just going to either use your faucet. Some faucets get hot enough, mine does not. But really hot water, I heat it on the stove. 4 gallons of water, 4 scoops of booster can clean 40 items. So you may not need to clean that much, right? That's just my situation today. So our Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster, in my opinion, is a must-have if you're using Norwex and you want to take care of it, because it tackles things like stubborn stains, odors, built-in mineral deposits. A lot of us have hard water. And unlike conventional cleaners or boosters that rely on harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia, this product uses a really nice enzyme blend to break down and remove those tough residues. Anything from grease, and you can count that these have a lot of bacon grease in them, maybe some grime, all the things, right? So this is USDA certified, bio-based, which means it's eco-friendly, it's septic safe, gentle for us, gentle for our fabrics and our homes. So, and what I personally think makes this product really effective is the enzymes. So the cleaner contains enzymes like protease. Protease breaks down protein-based stains like blood and sweat. Cellulase takes care of our fabric, which is awesome and is great for targeted stain removal. Now, these enzymes work as catalysts to break down organic matter quickly and efficiently without burning our nose hairs. It also has a built-in water softener, which is great, sodium carbonate, and some other elements to help soften the water, improving the cleaning performance by preventing mineral deposits from redepositing on the fabrics when we're deep cleaning. It also has plant-based surfactants, which are basically soaps that help wipe away and rinse away grime really easily, so there's no residue left behind on our cloths. Now, to deep clean our microfiber, you're going to prepare your solution by filling a sink or a bucket with hot, not boiling, water. For every 1 gallon of water, use a full scoop of the booster, and that would clean 10 heavily soiled microfiber cloths. And you're going to let them soak for at least 30 minutes, although sometimes I go a little bit longer. Now, I'm going to repeat that. 1 scoop of booster for 1 gallon of water cleans up to 10 cloths. And the reason why I repeated that is because I was not doing this properly for many years, and it was always on the back of the container. So this deep soaking process allows the enzymes a chance to break down those stubborn residues, all the odors, and while they're deep soaking, I like using this masher to kind of move the solution around, press on my cloths, and then what I'll do when I'm done soaking the cloths is I'll rinse them out thoroughly with water to make sure that I've rinsed out all of this grime, right? And you can either dry them at that point or throw them in the dryer, tumble dry on low, or hang them to dry. Now, if you prefer, after soaking your Norwex microfiber, I like placing my cloths directly into my washing machine, which is very effective at just making sure that I rinsed everything out, and it also helps release anything else that maybe I didn't get during the rinsing stage. You can use any of your favorite Norwex laundry detergents, the Powerzyme, Ultra Power Plus, liquid detergent, to wash them in the washing machine. It just gives that extra boost of cleanliness. Now, the booster can also be used as in the laundry booster by adding 1 scoop to your regular wash load for an extra boost of stain fighting power, especially on things like activewear, gym clothes, kids' school uniforms, you know the struggle. It's great for restoring dull stained fabrics and really helps keep them looking bright and vibrant without dulling the colors. It's safe for all Norwex microfiber products, including everything that we have with our backlock, which is our antibacterial technology, and it's going to prevent mineral buildup over time, which also is going to extend the life of my cloths. And it's going to help them absorb water better, because when we're using Norwex, we clean with just water, so we want the cloths to absorb really well. If you notice that your Norwex cloths are repelling water when you're getting them wet, that means it's time for a deep soak. So Norwex is committed to providing safe and sustainable and effective solutions, and I just love this. You want to make sure you have this in your laundry room. Now, when I started this video, I had a glass of water, which was what it started with after I put the booster in and before I put the cloths in. So let's see in this short time, 10 or 15 minutes, how much grime I've lifted from these cloths. So look at the difference. So that is a big difference. And if I have a lot of microfiber to deep soak like I do today, I will put the darks in one sink and the lights in the other. So have a great day. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys real soon. Happy cleaning.